Meaning of geologic.
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 Geologic. The term geologic pertains to the study and analysis of Earth's physical structure, history, and processes. It involves the examination of rocks, minerals, fossils, and other features and phenomena related to the planet's formation and evolution over time. Geology investigates a wide range of topics, including plate tectonics, earthquakes, volcanic activity, erosion, sedimentation, and climate change. Through this field of study, scientists aim to better understand the complex interactions and dynamics that shape our planet and its environment, providing insights into the past, present, and future of Earth's natural systems.